Welcome back to the Bike Rider Pro. Today we're taking a bold trip through time with the new 2026 old Ford Model T, a modern reimagining of the car that started it all. This concept blends over a century of heritage with cutting-edge innovation, classic design, modern touch. The 2026 Model T keeps the iconic silhouette, upright stance, rounded fenders, and minimalist body lines, but updates it with LED lighting, aerodynamic tweaks, and lightweight materials. It's instantly recognizable, yet undeniably futuristic. Powertrain evolution. Under the hood, this Model T is fully electric. A compact EV drivetrain delivers smooth acceleration, zero emissions, and impressive range, proving that simplicity and sustainability can go hand in hand. Interior simplicity. Inside, the cabin honors the original's no-frills philosophy. A clean dashboard, durable materials, and a single central display focus on essential driving information, while still offering modern comfort. Smart technology. Despite its retro soul, the 2026 Model T features advanced safety systems, over-the-air updates, and seamless smartphone integration, bringing 21st century convenience to a 20th century icon, honoring the legacy the original Model T made cars accessible to the world. This new version carries that mission forward, aiming to be affordable, efficient, and easy to maintain for a new generation. Final thoughts. The new 2026 old Ford Model T isn't just a car, it's a statement. A reminder that true innovation respects the past while driving boldly into the future. If this vision became reality, would you drive one? Let us know below.